Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Air. This is a 50-inch M4 2025 and the chip is M4. The RAM is 16 gigabyte and the display is 50-inch. You can see the storage is 512 gigabyte. Okay, this is the battery information. The battery cycle count 3 times, 100% the battery capacity, and let me show you the display, the GPU 10 cores and the CPU 10 cores, 4 performance cores, 6 efficiency cores. You can see this is a silver color, the beautiful color. You can see the keyboard. Okay, the keyboard backlight, no problem. You can see, okay. And let me show you the top cover. Okay, no problem. The sticker protects the logo. No scratch, no scratches. And let me show you the back cover. No problem. The back cover. No problem. And let me show you the. You can see the port. No problem. The charging port, no problem. No scratches. And let me show you the top. Okay, the corner, no problem. And you can see the headphone jack, no problem. Let me show you this edge, also no problem. Okay, and let me show you the 16-inch display. I changed the wallpaper. You can see the wallpaper, this color. Okay, the space gray. There's a gray color. No problem. No bright spots, no dark spots. Okay. And let me show you one more time the dark gray. Okay. No problem. Let me change another color. Also, no problem. If you want to know more about the MacBook information, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about MacBook. This is an M4 16-inch, 16 gigabyte, 50-inch, and 512 gigabyte. Only 3 times cycle count, 100%. Okay. The beautiful machine. See you in the next video.